Arvan Kumar. Oh, I think you're the one living in Hamatown or Rifan. You live in Rifan? Hasib, hello. We can cash you a model too. I'm from Texas. Ay, Samantha, thank you for watching. How are you doing, my dear Samantha? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for coming here. Texas, I think, I like the country. It's not getting too hot like here. Very hot. Ahmad Ahmad, Amsterdam. Shown and shampoo will be complimentary at hotel. But shampoo and sabon in the hotel, I didn't like. It's the smell, it's like herbal. How long it had been you did not meet your husband? Oh my goodness, this question, Mr. Loba. Oh my God, Mr. Loba Loba. How long we meet? 2 times, but I don't like to explain this about my husband. Mr. Loba, we don't need to talk about my husband. Jose, hello, Jose. Here's summer, too much hot. How it is? It's your Bahrain. Oh my God, in Bahrain now, it's already start in June. Hot weather, very very hot. I know May. We start in May, very hot, and I didn't like to go out. I feel like sticky, and oh my goodness. Jose, Lindatu Saluds. Hi, Jose. Thank you so much, Ahmad. Ahmad. Samantha, we going to get big hurricane Monday here at South Texas. Huh? In Texas, it's not getting hot, right? Ano? Samantha. I'm sorry for that question. No, it's okay, but really, I don't like this topic because maybe he will listen to me. It's not good to share because we don't have good communication. You will get a special jelly from you. Can you use shampoo, sabon? Oh my God, guys, already I'm 2 hours, guys. I will say goodbye. See you tomorrow. Do you have OnlyFans? Guys, okay. I'm sorry. See you tomorrow and I love you so much. Mwah, chuk chuk. Tomorrow I'll do more earlier. I will start 8 o'clock. Thank you so much, Ahmad Ahmad. NC, thank you very much. Eldo, Mr. Nova. All of you, Samantha, thank you. Sabnik, thank you. Aguilaril. Oy, hola, Aguila. I didn't see you. Aguila. Hola, good morning. It's already, here it's already, morning. It's 2 minutes, it's 1 a.m. So it's time to sleep. I love you too, Mr. Nova. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow, and I love you so much, all of you, my viewers. Please don't forget always to support my life. And also my other channel. Thank you very much. And see you on next week. I will live every day, but next week I will be in Philippines. Thank you so much. Please wait until I reach in Philippines. I will show you my places. And I will show you also my some friends and classmates. Maybe I will visit them. I'm not sure. Because those of my friends, they're married and they are having own family. So I'm not able to meet them. So yan, I will show you my parents, my children in Philippines. See you, sayang. And see, sayang, my dear. Mwah, chup, chup, mwah. Philippine, you show your body. Oh my gosh, how come show my body in Philippine? Ayan na, bye-bye. I love you so much. Thank you very much.